everyone. Hi, it's Aunt Jody. I have a long letter today, so let's get started, shall we? Dear Aunt Jody, recently my life has taken a turn for the worst, but let me take you back to where it all started. Just after homecoming, I met this boy. I was head over heels for this guy, and he was someone I felt completely comfortable with. We talked and talked endlessly and even brought up the idea of dating. He would always say he liked me a lot, but wasn't ready for a relationship because he had a bad past experience. Well, when winter break came around, it was the first time we were apart for an extended period of time. Slowly, the talking began to stop, and no longer was he my top Snapchatted. Chatted? Or just Snapchat? I don't know. What is. Anyway, I'm an English teacher, we're going to say. Then, late one night, while I was just scrolling through Facebook, I saw him. Him with another girl saying that she was great. Uh-oh. It killed me to know that he was talking to another girl after everything he said. We stopped talking for some time, but slowly he found his way back into my life. We started being friends again, and knowing he's a senior, I began to question how I would survive without his friendship next year. Well, this quickly began to change. Recently, I found out this guy was head over heels, that I was head over heels for, was dating another girl, a girl he had been with for 2 years. Being a girl, I felt the need to tell his girlfriend, which ended up being the best decision, but also the worst. He became livid, no joke. He called me screaming and yelling. I felt heartbroken to know that I had wasted 7 months talking to a horrible monster like him. After I told his girlfriend, I knew I needed to sleep off what had happened, but out of nowhere, I began being harassed. A fake number began texting me, saying they were going to ruin my life. Quickly, I knew I needed to file a police report and get a no contact order. Now that this is done, though, I feel scared. I know that this guy happens to be an angry drunk, so what should I do? It frightens me to even see him in public, and I walk campus quickly to avoid seeing him. The other problem is, what if the fake number wasn't even really him? Signed, Worried Girl. Well, girl, first of all, the first thing that you need to do is change your number. Get a new phone number. Let all your contacts know, look, I have a problem. You filed a police report. You should be able to talk to your cell provider and get a new number. Provide them with the police report information. Let them know they have records of what you've been getting. So get a new number. You need to notify OPS, the Office of Public Safety on campus. You need to let them know what's happening. You need to give them his name and say, look, this is what this guy has said. If he said something directly to you, give them a written statement of what has been said and what has not. Sign it, date it. If there are any witnesses, you provide that. Whenever you type out a statement like that, it becomes a legal document. That way, if anything happens in the future, that can be used against this person in a court of law. A lot of people don't realize that. Diaries, photographs, anything that has a date on it and a statement counts as a legal document. So get that all written down. If you're afraid of him, if you're afraid for your physical safety, try to find someone to walk with you. But if you can't, get pepper spray. Get a stun gun. You can get them really cheap on on Amazon. I have one. The reason I bought it, and this is crazy, is because it has an awesome flashlight. It was about 10 bucks. No, I'm not worried for my physical safety. I'm worried that some idiot is going to break into my classroom and try to hurt somebody that's sitting in there. And if there's any chance that I could stop them, that's what that's for. You can get one of those, and if somebody tries to grab you on campus and do you harm, at least you have a fighting chance. Pepper spray, same thing. I've got some in my purse. No, it's not for me. Actually, I got a deal on them and I got two. It's a cute little pink thing. I should get them out and show you. I bought one to give to my friend because she was grabbed, thrown in a car, and attacked by two men. She nearly got killed. We live in a society where that happens. It's always happened. We just hear about it more now in the age of viral news. Chances are when you change your number, now that the semester is ending, we're in the last days, you're never going to hear from this guy again, even if that is him. He may have given your number to somebody and they're just bothering you. If he's an angry drunk, you should be glad to get him out of your life, okay? Do the things that I've advised you to do. Talk to OPS. They'll have way better advice than I have. It's sad that you have to consider taking steps like getting pepper spray and all that. You probably don't even have to go to that point because we're in the last day or two. But just be safe. The best advice is go to OPS, talk to them, and don't go anywhere alone. You can surely find someone to walk you somewhere. Okay? If you have any more trouble, let me know. We'll see what we can do for you. Okay? All right. Take care. Bye, everyone.